Common statistical tests used in Table 1 in scientific articles. This is the outline we will go through. We start with Table 1 in scientific articles. Table 1 in scientific articles typically apply both descriptive and analytic statistics to participants' characteristics or potential confounders such as demographics and baseline characteristics. Descriptive statistics for continuous variable include means with standard deviation or medians with interquartile range. Descriptive statistics for category variable includes counts with a percentage. Analytic statistical tests check for comparability across primary exposure groups. This video, I give an overview of common statistical tests used in Table 1 in scientific articles. We start with the characteristics or potential confounders for study population. Variables for characteristics or potential confounders can be classified as continuous variable and a category variable. If characteristics or potential confounders are continuous variable, next step is to check how many groups primary exposure variable has. If primary exposure variable has 2 groups, next step is to check assumptions required by t-test. If the assumptions are fulfilled, t-test can be used to check comparability between the 2 groups. If the assumptions are not fulfilled, then Mann-Whitney test should be used. If primary exposure variable has more than 2 groups, next step is to check assumptions required by one-way ANOVA. If the assumptions are fulfilled, one-way ANOVA can be used to check comparability across several groups. If the assumptions are not fulfilled, then Kruskal-Wallis test should be used. If characteristics or potential confounders are category variable, no matter how many groups primary exposure variable has, next step is to check assumptions required by Pearson's chi-square test. If the assumptions are fulfilled, Pearson's chi-square test can be used to check comparability across several groups. If the assumptions are not fulfilled, then Fisher's exact test should be used. In the future, I will make several videos for the statistical tests used in Table 1. The link to the videos will be gradually added in the description below. Currently, I have already made videos for Pearson's chi-square test and Fisher's exact test. You can find the link to the video below. This is the end of this video. See you.